Welcome back to Tech Arena, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. AI has been a hot topic for years, but there are still many myths and misconceptions surrounding it. In this video, we'll debunk the top 7 AI myths and reveal the realities behind them. So let's get started. Myth number 1. AI will take over the world. One of the most prevalent myths about AI is that it will eventually take over the world, like in the movies. The fear of AI domination often arises from science fiction portrayals of intelligent machines rebelling against humanity. However, in reality, AI is just a tool created by humans to assist and enhance various tasks. It lacks consciousness and emotions. So, the idea of AI taking over the world is unfounded. AI is designed to serve specific purpose and cannot act independently beyond its programmed functions. Myth number 2. AI will replace all human jobs. Another common myth is that AI will lead to widespread unemployment. The concern is that as AI systems become more capable, they will replace human workers entirely. While it's true that AI can automate certain repetitive tasks, it also creates new job opportunities. AI systems require human supervision, maintenance, and creativity, leading to the emergence of new roles in AI-related fields. Moreover, AI can enhance human productivity, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Myth number 3. AI is only for tech experts. Some people believe that AI is too complex and only meant for tech experts. In reality, AI has become more accessible than ever. Many user-friendly AI tools and platforms are available for non-tech experts, enabling them to leverage AI's capabilities for their specific needs. AI is now integrated into various everyday applications, from virtual assistants to social media algorithms, making it accessible to a broader audience. Myth number 4. AI is only useful for large companies. It's a misconception that AI is only beneficial for big corporations with vast resources. In truth, AI can be utilized by businesses of all sizes. There are affordable AI solutions tailored to small and medium-sized enterprises, helping them improve efficiency and make data-driven decisions. AI's scalability allows it to adapt to the needs and budgets of different organizations, making it a valuable tool for businesses regardless of their size. Myth number 5. AI is a recent concept. Some might think AI is a new concept, but its roots go back to the 1950s. While advancements in technology have accelerated AI development, the basic principles have been around for decades. Early AI research laid the foundation for the current AI technologies we use today. As AI continues to evolve, it builds upon the knowledge and progress made over the years. Myth number 6. AI will make humans obsolete. People often fear that AI will make humans obsolete, but the reality is that AI is here to augment human abilities, not replace them. AI excels at processing massive amounts of data and performing repetitive tasks, while humans bring creativity, critical thinking, and empathy to the table. By working together with AI, humans can leverage its capabilities to tackle complex challenges and make more informed decisions. AI and humans are better together than apart. Myth number 7. AI is all-knowing and perfect. Lastly, the idea that AI is all-knowing and perfect is a myth. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. Biases in the data can lead to biased outcomes, and AI can make mistakes. Continuous human oversight and improvement are necessary to ensure AI's accuracy and fairness. While AI can process vast amounts of information quickly, it still requires human intervention to interpret results and make ethical judgments. And there you have it. The top 7 AI myths debunked. Remember, AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve our lives. But it's essential to separate fact from fiction and have a realistic understanding of its capabilities. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more exciting tech insights. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on AI, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology. Thank you for watching.